What's up guys, today video I'm gonna unbox smart feeder for my aquarium.
Guys, tingnan natin. Ayan. I just scratch my address, so it's private. Ayan. Smart feeder, guys. That's the code. Yes. Yan yung nasa box. So, ayan siya. May battery na. Kasama. Batteries included on this. Ayan. Sometimes they don't leave you batteries. And here's the manual. So, if you want to go on the instruction, it's all included inside. So, you guys just read if you are Chinese, you can understand more easily, but we are not. So, and here's the English version. Ayan. That's the English version. So, and then that's the box, guys. That's the box. And smart feeder. So easy. Installation super mute and original stuff feed and LCD display. So you can just adjust the time what you want and the days, how many rotation you want, and I will show you that. Stay tuned. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And hello guys. Now I'm gonna show you how to set this up. So the timer, so how many times you want to roll this one, and then to set up your time, what you want for 4 times in a day. Or so now we're just gonna set the timer on, so it's 13:40, so 13:50 is the time. 50, 51. And then now you press set. You can just put for this is for the trial, yeah. 13:55. Set again. Let's do it for 55. So 52. And then just only this you can see is if you want 2 or 3 or 3, you like this one spin, so to feed the 3 times, and then set, and that's it. We're just gonna try them if it works, but this is we're gonna set that later on, and then as long as we know. So that's it. We're just gonna wait. So now it's all set, and it's all set for 13:55. That's what is I said. So we'll see. See guys, before it will start moving, so you can see twice. And that's it. And then I'm just gonna set my time what I want. So from the morning, so this is the, if you want in the morning, or you just space for 1 or 2, 3 times in a day, that's what. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and then I'm gonna show you into my aquarium how it looks when it start to feed. Yep. Thank you guys. So yan guys, so you can just feed them. You can see it's rolling, but I just don't want to feed them now. This is the hole that you can adjust them. show you. That's the one. It's adjust. I just don't want to feed too much my fish, so I just showing you guys. So you can adjust medium to high. So now I got timer in there, so you can see this is only one row. So this is from the morning, afternoon, and then evening. So that's it, guys. I don't really want to put any more because it's gonna be so much speed after all. So that's all my fish, and see you guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more updates and videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.